long time ago, I told you that I was going to post videos from my mission trip. I looked through all those videos and only liked about 3 of them. So, here are those clips. Enjoy.
We are on our way to Chicago now. Music. So we're going to Chicago first, and then we're gonna go to Ohio for a mission trip. Ohio. We're not really sure what we're doing there, but we're doing things. We might be picking up trees after storms. Yes, that's true. So I will see you when we get there. This is the church that we're staying at tonight. Isn't it tiny? Oh, I can't get the entire thing in the shot. Oh, look at that. I got it. That is the entire church. First time ever I drive a train. Yeah, first time ever. That's why I'm so excited about it. Wow. And so, yeah. Yeah, they're like train tracks. Kind of want to lay on them. Am I the only one who wants to lay on the train tracks? Train! Oh my gosh, it makes noises. Stairs. Stairs of the train. Yes. Stairs of the train. Going up the stairs of the train. Oh my gosh, they're so cool. Okay. Some more stairs. Oh, it's so tiny. We don't have enough seats. Oh my gosh. I am videotaping a train as I'm sitting inside of a train. I have never done this before. Oh, this is amazing. I am so excited. You have no idea how much I love trains. Seriously, this is exciting. It's our train again. So loud. We made it! Yeah! We made it! Everyone, out of the vehicle! We made it! We made it! Look at the pretty buildings! Pretty building! This is what we're staying in. That's a lady. Pretty building. This is Joanna. She's my friend who made up, my friend Hannah, who's recording, made up this dance called the state dance. State dance. State. The end. Oh snap! Woo! Yeah! Go Jeremiah! He's shuffling. That is not. How do you burn calories while doing that?
Well, you gotta go.
This is a aerobic workout.
Oh, obviously.
As opposed to your anaerobic.
That was a weird light. Anyway, yeah, so that was the video of my mission trip. I didn't have the camera when things actually mattered because then I wouldn't be working. I would be recording, that wouldn't be good. So you saw a bunch of pictures of a train! And then people that I met there, and blah blah blah. I don't really care. Crap video is crap, because I did not care about that mission trip. Well, I cared about the mission trip. I didn't care about the going there, which was the only time I had my camera. Yeah. Hope you liked it anyway. The train was cool. And I love that dance. I still do that dance.